Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how real estate businesses can boost productivity with automation. So if you're an owner of a real estate business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, you're going to learn some amazing automations that is going to help to boost up the productivity of your business. With the help of these automations, you can easily manage your leads by simply creating a record of your leads in Google Sheets, sending your leads automated WhatsApp messages, and also you can send PDFs or the brochures of your real estate business. So if you want to learn these amazing automations, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how real estate businesses can boost productivity with automation, okay? So in this video, we're going to discuss some amazing automations that is going to help your real estate business to boost its productivity, okay? So for creating these amazing automations, we are going to be using Pabbly Connect. On the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After you're going to browse this website, automatically you will be landed to this page right over here, okay? And as you have opened this website right over here, you have to sign in to your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. After you're going to click on Access Now, you will be landed towards Pabbly Connect's dashboard, okay? And over here, you can see I've created folders in my Pabbly Connect account in which I'm going to save all of my workflows in. So if you want to create your own folder, you have to click on this Create Folder right over here. You can give the name to your folder, then you can create the folder right over here, okay? As I've created a folder in the name of Real Estate Automations, in this folder, I've created some amazing automations that is going to boost the productivity of my real estate business, okay? So to create an amazing automation with Pabbly Connect, you have to first create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow, and the dialog box is then going to appear, which is asking for a workflow name. So you can give a name to a workflow right over here, and you can select the folder in which you want to save the workflow, and then you can click on Create in order to create a workflow, okay? So these are some amazing automations that I've created for my real estate business with the help of Pabbly Connect right over here, and we're going to discuss these amazing automations. So first automation that I've created for my real estate business is add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for real estate business. So you are an owner of a real estate business, okay? And you are promoting your business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So what I want is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads by any of my customers, potential customers, automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets to manage the record, okay? For that, I've created this amazing automation right over here with Pabbly Connect. Firstly, we need to set up a trigger and action step in order to start an automation. So I've set up my trigger step over here, and for the trigger application, we have taken it as Facebook lead ads. For the trigger event, we have taken it as new lead instant, because we want that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And then you have to select the page, your Facebook page from which you're going to running your Facebook lead ads with. And for the lead gen form, that you have created with the help of Facebook lead ads, okay? As soon as you're going to select that over here, you're going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And as soon as you're going to click on Save and Send Test Request, a response of the new lead that has been generated is going to be captured over here in Pabbly Connect, okay? For the full name over here, you can see demo user. For the email as demo@pabblytools.com. For the phone number, dummy mobile number, because I have generated a test lead. So whenever a new lead is going to be generated, in our trigger step, the response of that Facebook lead is going to be captured, okay? As soon as you're going to set up a trigger step, we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added in our Google Sheets. For that, what we have done is we have set up our action step right over here. For the action application, we have taken it as Google Sheets. For the action event as add new row, because we want to add a new row of the lead details that has been generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, okay? Firstly, we need to select the spreadsheet. I've created a spreadsheet in the name of Real Estate Leads right over here. Then you have to select the sheet. I've created a single sheet that is in the name of Sheet 1. And in my spreadsheet, I've created 3 fields, that is name, email address, and contact number right over here. I want that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically under these 3 fields, the data of my lead should be recorded, okay? So over here, we have mapped the data for all these details right over here. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we have mapped the data right over here by inserting inserting data from the previous step. And how we're going to map the data? Click on this field, and as soon as you're going to do that, over here you can see it says Facebook lead ads new lead instant. Click on this arrow, and this was the response from our previous step right over here. And if you're going to select a specific response, like it is asking for the name, I'm going to select the name right away. What happens is the data is mapped away, as you can see right away. Okay, and as now the data is mapped, the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically in place of this map data, the data is going to be updated. Okay, so as I map the data for all these required fields right over here, and I'm going to click on save and send test request, a response is going to be received. And if you're going to receive a response like this, automatically the data of the new lead that is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads is going to be successfully recorded in our Google Sheets. Okay, so this was the first amazing automation that you can use to grow your real estate business. Okay, now the second automation that we're going to talk about is share your real estate brochure PDF to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. So again, you're a real estate business, okay, and you are running your business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So you want that whenever any of your customers generates a new leads with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically to them on their WhatsApp, a PDF brochure of your real estate business should be forwarded. For that, we have created this amazing automation right over here. We have set up our trigger step for the trigger application as Facebook lead ads, trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, as you can see right over here, like this over here in our trigger step. So as we have set up our trigger step and the new lead is captured with the help of Facebook lead ads in our trigger step right over here, we want to send a WhatsApp message towards this lead with the attachment of the PDF brochure of our real estate business. For that, we set up our action step right over here, and for the action application over here, we have taken it as WhatsApp Cloud API, because I have created a template message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, which is going to help me to send a WhatsApp messages to all of my customers who have generated the lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. Okay, firstly over here it is asking for us to select a template name. For the template name, you're going to select the template name that you have created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, and as soon as you're going to select the template, the language code and the selected template ID is going to appear right over here. Okay, next over here it is asking for the recipient mobile number, and which mobile number do you want to send the WhatsApp message to. So I mapped the data of my customer's mobile number right over here. For the header, I've attached the PDF link right over here. If I'm going to copy this link from here, I'm going to open this link in a new tab right over here. You can see this was the PDF brochure that I want to send to my customers right over here. Okay, so I've attached the PDF link of the brochure right over here. I've added the details. The body field 1, body field 2 and body field 3 are the 3 variables that I've created in this template right over here. And in place of these 3 variables, I want to add the values of my customers. So for the first variable, I added the name, and for the second variable, the name of my business right over here, and for the third variable, I added the website of my business right over here. And as soon as you click on save and send test request, a response is going to be received to you, and the response that you're going to receive is a positive response. That means a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded to your customer with the attachment of the PDF brochure right over here. So this is the second amazing automation that you can create with Pabbly Connect for your real estate business. And now we're going to discuss upon the third amazing automation that you can create. Okay, and this third amazing automation that we're going to discuss upon is send WhatsApp messages to housing.com real estate leads automatically. So now what you're doing, you're promoting your real estate business with the help of housing.com, and the new leads are going to be generated with the help of housing.com. You want that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically you can send a WhatsApp message or simple format WhatsApp messages to your leads. For that, we have created this amazing automation right over here. Okay, for the trigger setup, we have selected as our trigger application as housing.com and the trigger event as new lead instant, and then you're going to select the trigger application and the event. You're going to receive a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, you can create a bridge between Pabbly Connect and housing.com. You're going to set up the webhook URL by following the steps given here below in order to connect housing.com with Pabbly Connect. Okay, after that, we're going to click over here on capture webhook response, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So this is the response that has been captured right away with the details of my new lead right away, the first name, last name, phone number, email and the city. So the response is captured. That means our trigger setup is done right over here. Okay, as a new lead is generated, we want to send a WhatsApp message towards the lead. We have set up our action application right over here, and as I've created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. In place of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can use Vati, Interact or many other applications to create your own template message. Okay, so I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API right over here. Firstly, you need to select the template name, language code, selected template ID right over here. Okay, Then it is asking for the recipient mobile number. On which mobile number do you want to send a WhatsApp message to? I mapped the mobile number of my customer who have generated the lead, and the response is captured in a previous step. And for the body field one, that is the variable that I've created in my WhatsApp Cloud API, I've entered the detail of my customer's name, and then a response is going to be received, and the response that you're going to receive is a positive response. Okay, over here for the message status is accepted. That means a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded to your customer. Okay, so this is how we set up this amazing automation right over here for the use case of send WhatsApp message to housing.com real estate leads automatically. Okay, so now whenever a new lead is going to be generated for your real estate business with the help of housing.com, automatically towards the lead, towards the customer who have generated the lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded with the help of the template that we have created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is the third amazing automation that you can create with Pabbly Connect for your real estate business. Now we're going to talk about the fourth amazing automation that you can create for your real estate business with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now for the fourth automation, we are going to talk about how to add leads from 99 acres to Google Sheets. So you are a real estate business owner, okay, and you are promoting your real estate business with the help of 99 acres, okay, and you want that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of 99 acres, automatically the data of that new lead should be captured in your Google Sheets. For that, you have created this amazing automation right over here with Pabbly Connect. Okay, firstly we're going to set up our trigger step right over here, and for the trigger application we're going to take it as 99 acres, and for the trigger event as new leads, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of 99 acres for your real estate business, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that new lead. And then when you're going to choose your trigger application and the event, Pabbly Connect is going to provide you with the webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, you're going to create a bridge between 99 acres and Pabbly Connect. Okay, and as you're going to create the connection between 99 acres and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk, as you're going to do that over here, whenever a new lead is going to be generated, automatically the details of that lead is going to be captured in our trigger response right over here, like this over here. Okay, as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of 99 acres for your real estate business, you want to create the record of all those leads in your Google Sheets to manage the leads. So for that, we have set up our action step. For the action application, we've taken it as Google Sheets, action event as add new row, and then we're going to click on connect. And then over here, after connecting Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, over here it is asking for us to select a spreadsheet. So for the spreadsheet, we're going to select the spreadsheet that you want to create the record of your leads in, and then you're going to select the sheet right over here. Then over here in place of these are the fields that I've created in my sheets right over here, that is first name, last name, email, contact number, location, and the area right over here. Okay, so these are the fields that I've created in my Google Sheets right over here, and I've mapped the data for all these details right over here. Then over here you're going to receive a response right over here. The response that you're going to receive like this is a positive response. So a new lead that is going to be generated every time with the help of 99 acres for your real estate business, automatically all the details of the lead are going to be created as a record in your Google Sheet. So this is how you create this amazing automation with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so these were some amazing automations that you can create for your real estate businesses with the help of Pabbly Connect to boost your productivity of your business with the help of these amazing automations. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.